hope it's made, but if it should be made because welcome to Shadhok moves. uh, let's play. It's my another ID, Monk Plays Chess, and I have a YouTube channel also. With this ID you can check my YouTube channel on Monk Plays Chess. Okay, let's start a game. Here it's a new ID, so here my rating is just 1200. So but my general rating, normal rating is in Rapid 1900 plus. So I think I will play and win it. It is easily I can win in 15 minutes. Let's see. So what is he playing? He is playing like French defense. Yes, I also like to play it with black pieces. So now yeah, it is a trap. He must capture because he understand that. Otherwise the bishop was hanging on b5. Okay, now it is that he want to take, or he want to play b5. What should I play? If he captures, it's better for me. So I think I can give him the pawn also. You can take. Okay. So now to play queen b6. Maybe generally this queen b6 is played here. My voice is also not so good. Maybe, but it is like loud or something. But actually, it is not my general voice because of my uh, attack on my, that means influenza or something, cold flu attack. I lost my oh my god, what was I going to play? It was just my queen gone. My queen should be on c5, capture the pawn. So no problem, people know me, people know Shadhok moves, his voice, his face. I am here with my face, so I think it's my brand. So, and also this name with a YouTube channel, Monk Plays Chess. I will try. I'll try to also, sometimes I will try to post some videos also. Okay, let's see, because this channel is also, my Shadhok moves channel is still needs $100 to get paid, so I'm working for that. So I need to just stick to one channel, so don't need to. Okay, now I think I can. Okay, what's the place plan and what's the opponent move? Always you should think here. Most times I just gossip, but I need to actually explain moves, because in my channel most players are stuck on that level, 1500 level. So need to explain them because most streamers don't explain. Can I castle? Should I castle here? Okay, let's try. It's a long castle, but it's a risky one. So, but yeah, he has started attacking. He is just 20 rating better than I want to open. Let's see. I can play queen c5. I think move forward is fine. Always try to play move forward in your game. No problem. He can attack you. Then I can. Okay, this is attack. This is I attack coming. I can play a6 or b king. I think king is fine, guys. Or I think it's so good. Just attack the bishop and stop, because the rook and queen is there. He doesn't dare to take it. Oh, and by the way, please do like, subscribe my channel Shadhok moves, and comment there if you want to improve your chess, if you want to get my chess coaching. And I have a WhatsApp number in the video. You can have a DM there, or you can call if you like. So I think my pieces are not developed yet, so he must go back. He did the right, just to do that thing. What should I do now? Should I push and open the file? I don't think so. But how to improve my knight? Yeah, it should be improved actually. So that's why I want to improve my knight, improve my bishop here. My bishop e7 coming. So just try to improve your pieces. If you have no attack, it is a 10 minutes rapid game. So take your time. Though he is only 1200, but I'm 1900. So if you don't believe, go to Shadhok moves, my channel, and see other videos. Then You can see my real ID there. Oh, one thing is that I can sacrifice. Should I do it? Should I sack? Or I think just eliminate his bishop there. I think it's fine. His attacking piece, opponent's attacking piece should be eliminated. That means try to exchange opponent always. And he is nice, but I am just winning a pawn. Or yeah, he can save it playing f4. He don't save it. He stopped first. Yes, yes, it was checkmate. And you see my opponent understand that when it's a checkmate, queen into g2, direct checkmate. So you cannot think for the pawn. Now you have to move knight or queen. But he played nice, of course. But should I capture it? I think I can capture it now because he has no bishop in the cannot attack anymore. So I have to think now. My queen is under attack. So what can you do now? How to find the best move in this position? Though it is not anything winning, I can go g3 direct. Queen g3 or queen e3 is not possible. Queen, I think I can think of a nice attack also. So I think it is the best move because queen g3, not for any good reason, but queen f6 looking good. Now I have a push and this rook hanging, so he will busy. Save that. I can just capture here, but it's not actually working. He can save everything. It's not, but I think I should do it because I need a room for my queen, and my queen want to have a check. So that's why I can go and yeah, hope he can. If he captures, then the rook file is opened. I think my mic is recording now because I have not mute. It was the same. Yeah, now an attack. So I think I can win one more knight also. You see, guys. Okay, let give you some seconds only, but I cannot take more time because I have only 3 minutes. It's a check. I think you get his 94 easy. So it's easy to find when you are playing with small players. And this c5 knight is hanging because he not captured that deep pawn. My opponent flag I cannot see because I don't know what kind of click here to see our stance on the wire in Ukraine. What is this? So finally, after 20 moves, I got my 1200 player's weakness on the board because this check I give him and he must move the king and his knight is hanging. Oh, he cannot do it. He can do, but I will capture it and same. That means it is the same effect. Or okay. I think it's simply capture because there is no threat. He can get a pawn. It's fine. It's fine. He can get a pawn. I have to do same. That means again play d4 because spin the knight again. Then my knight can be activated, and I think it's fine. Now I don't need to think more. You see, because of my low time, so I have to. So I have some check option, or this is another fork. He can miss. Let's see. My opponent missed this knight e3. Yeah, another. Anyway, I have another fork. You see, knight g3 also. Okay, he saved that, but his knight is lost. He don't calculating, and he has huge time also. So I should just take free knight. Maybe he is thinking that he's playing with 1200, but how he is making mistakes. But I'm not doing any cheating jobs. Just I'm playing as my rating is 1900, so it's the difference actually. I can go for checkmate. Should I do that? Guys, what is better? My bishop is pinned. Yeah, he's going to capture that in a moment. So only 2 minutes. How you should think first. I can go for checkmate. I think it is fine by this way actually. But he can save it. He can save it. it's not a special move, but actually I want to, if I get at time, I will just capture. Oh, I cannot capture. Oh, he got it. Nice move, nice move. Cannot capture, so I think I should be here. Stop this, otherwise he can have a. He's going to win a piece. So my knight h5 is not so good. I should be careful. That means I should play some simple first, save my bishop. Then I could try to sit on g3, wait there. But now it's still pinned. I can grab more. Uh, I think I should grab it. Rook can join, no problem, but rook cannot capture anything free. But he has a good timing plus his rooks are activated. But I don't think that he can do it with his without losing so much materials. His material is so low, but he is going to sacrifice. But I don't think it's working for sacrifice working. I think simply I should bring more. I should bring more, I think. One thing I can do that also. No, I can. It was a trap. It was a trap. I cannot take with this pawn because of his double rook has some act. He is going to win my queen if I capture that. Now I want to put it here. Only 1 minute, guys. Can I make it? So it should be the interesting moment. This last 1 minute. Let's see. The double rook is attacking spawn, but I should focus on. Now I'm just going to defend it, but I should be better. He has no attacks because of low material. The material is not so good. So okay. Now I can just move it, and I think I am winning another pawn. And 55 seconds. I think it's not enough, but I'm trying. I should win that game because of I have material. Okay, I think simply I can capture. Okay, capture. Okay, now materially I should win, but actually in time, I'm really in time trouble. Sit here and don't do anything simple. Don't need to do actually simple, but time is matter here. So always. Okay, now I think I should exchange as fast as I can. Just okay, maybe. Oh, should be careful because he's going to capture the free bishop. Okay, another attack. I'm gonna crush him. Okay. Okay, just save it, and then my knight should be but 26 seconds. But I am don't getting force mate. I don't get force mate, but I have some plan now. But it's not so forcing. 25 seconds. He has 3 minutes. That means I want to exchange. Okay, he give me chance. Exchange. Oh, he see that. That means I cannot move my knight. But now it's forced. He cannot. My ace pawn should be there. My knight is here. It's a checkmate pattern. Then just force mate it. I see that now. Now it's forced. Is it forced? No. Oh no. It's still not forced. Oh no, it's not forced. Okay, grab. Just one check, 10 seconds. I don't know, he's made it. I want to take one pawn. First check. Then maybe this pawn capture. It is forced. Now I can win the rook. Or this capture first. It's a check. No, nothing. Okay. He's getting mated maybe. But he, oh, 1-6. Still not made it, but yeah, I'm playing so bad. Playing so bad. Now I can go here again. Is it made? I don't know. Hope it's made. Hope it's made now. Is it made? Hope it's made, but I have only 1 second. I'm going to lose it if there is no mate. Yeah, it should be made. It should be made. Checkmate. But I don't see in the screen. Still, his timer is on. Oh, I think it's a force move, mate. Anyway, king can get only here. King is not out of his cards there. Good connection. Go like. But I think he is not moving. He has a move. Hope it's made. Yes, it is the internet with the. Yeah, I got. Yeah, I got it. You see it. I'm so clear that it was his last move was. Oh, he make a check when I made it was my pre move. So he go back. I make it. Oh, he just challenge my rook. I must force it. I made it also. Then it was the last move. He was taking time. You see here 2 minutes. He just here. I am here. Now it's his turn again. It is the move. He just lost totally 1 minute thinking here what to do. It is makes. It was anyway. It was checkmate in one now because my knight was doing good job there. This is the knight and bishop combination. 3 squares blocked, and this is also blocked. You cannot hide here. So you can easily checkmate if you have low time, no problem. Only with only 1 second in your clock, but you need to have some material and you need to know how to his weakness, how can he make mistake. So signing out. Thank you for watching.